Hello, students. This is a revision of the essay Negritude, a Humanism of the 20th Century. The revision will be in the form of question answer. What is the meaning of negritude? Negritude is a consciousness of and pride in the cultural and physical aspects of African heritage and the state or condition of being a black person. Who started the negritude movement? Negritude was led by the Martinican poet Aimé Césaire, French Guyanese poet Leon Damas, and the future Senegalese president, who was also a poet, Leopold Sédar Senghor. What is the purpose of negritude? Negritude, literary movement of 1930s, 40s and 50s that began among the French speaking African and Caribbean writers living in Paris, was a protest against French colonial system and the policy of assimilation. What was the influence behind negritude? Negritude was influenced by a range of style and art movements, including Surrealism and the Harlem Renaissance. It was a product of black writers joining together through the French language to assert their cultural identity. Authors such as Claude McKay and Langston Hughes laid the groundwork for black expression. What was the impact of the negritude movement? From a political standpoint, negritude was an important aspect of the rejection of colonialism. Emerging at the cusp of African independence movements, negritude made an impact on how the colonized viewed themselves. It also sparked subsequent literary movements that were responding to global politics. What are the features of negritude? Characteristics of negritude are a denunciation of Europe's devastation of Africa, a decrying of the coldness and stiffness of Western culture, and its lack of recognition of humane qualities found in African cultures, and an assertion of the glories and truths of African history, beliefs, and traditions. What was the aim and contribution of negritude? Negritude is derived from French negre and tude to denote a condition that can be translated as blackness. It is a framework of critic and literary theory developed mainly by Francophone intellectuals, writers, and politicians of the African diaspora during the 1930s. It was aimed at raising and cultivating black consciousness. A peaceful anti apartheid demonstration was held under the influence of negritude in 1960, in which the police killed more than 60 people. Black leaders were imprisoned and sentenced to life imprisonment in 1964. What was a definition given by Senghor of negritude? Negritude has been defined by Leopold Sedar Senghor as the sum of cultural values of the black world as they are expressed in the life, institution, and works of black men.